Error code E21 on a washing machine indicates a problem with drainage, where the machine is unable to drain water effectively due to a blockage. This can cause water to take too long to drain or not drain at all. The common causes of this error code include a blocked filter, which can occur when debris or dirt accumulates due to infrequent cleaning, resulting in slow drainage. A blocked drain hose is another cause, where lint or dirt can accumulate over time, slowing down water flow and triggering the error code. Additionally, a damaged drain pipe can also be the culprit, where an object may lodge into the drain pump or wear it out, preventing it from driving water out of the washer. To fix error code E21, regular maintenance is essential. Cleaning the filter is a crucial step, which involves opening the cover of the pump at the back of the washer, placing a tray on the floor, and turning the filter anti-clockwise to drain the water. Once the water has been drained, the filter can be removed, and any lodged particles can be taken out. The filter should then be cleaned with clean water and replaced in the washer. Another solution is to clean the drain hose, which is typically located at the back of the washing machine and is detachable. To clean the hose, place a container at the bottom to catch any water that may flow out. Then run the hose under a running tap or use a garden hose outside to clear out any debris. After cleaning, the hose can be reattached to the machine. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to replace the drain pump. To do this, place the washer on its side and open the cover at the bottom to access the pump. Remove the old pump and replace it with a new one, making sure to purchase a pump that matches the model number of the washing machine. Regular maintenance and prompt repair can help prevent error code E21 and ensure the washing machine functions properly.